Good afternoon and welcome everybody to our podcast today focusing on ThinkActive and our SafeACTiVE study. I'm extremely pleased to be here with Patrick Rijnbeek from Actief and Alfonso Jimenez from the EuropeActive board and from ThinkActive, our future think tank. I would like to start with asking Patrick and Alfonso to introduce themselves respectively, starting with Patrick.
Hello, thank you for being here. My name is Patrick Rijnbeek. I'm one of the board members of Actief in the Netherlands, and we're trying to keep Holland more healthier, I would say. And we're very busy at this moment with COVID-19.
Great stuff, and great job keeping the sector open in the Netherlands last week. Was very well done. Alfonso, if you would introduce yourself.
Yes, thank you, Andreas. Thank you very much for the opportunity and for inviting us to share a little bit of time with the audience today. I am a professor of exercise science and health at Sheffield Hallam University and Chief Research and Innovation Officer at GoFit in Madrid. I'm a board member at EuropeActive, and I have been appointed as the formal head of ThinkActive, a really innovative and disruptive project by which we try to bring science and evidence to support our active living agenda across Europe.
Brilliant stuff. Thanks so much, guys. We're very pleased to have you with us today, and for our industry to have experts like you at this critical time of our history. On the 30th of September, EuropeActive released our manifesto for the sector's Horizon 2025, thus defining our path and vision for the coming years. The four headlines and primary focus areas of our manifesto is health, digital, community, and standards. And our main topic today, ThinkActive and producing research for our sector, not least in the area at this particular moment in our sector's history on the safety of fitness and exercise facilities. We relate ThinkActive, our future think tank, to the headline of health, which is the first and the main headline of our manifesto, which is about repositioning our sector towards public health and towards being recognized in European society as a public health solution and a public health partner, providing physical, social, and mental well-being in our communities across Europe. And at this specific moment in time, we've asked ThinkActive, our future think tank on fitness and physical activity, to focus on documenting the safety of fitness and exercise facilities across Europe. And the specific study that EuropeActive has launched under ThinkActive is called SafeACTiVE, and it is done in partnership with the Sheffield Hallam University in the UK and King Juan Carlos University in Madrid, as Alfonso just mentioned, where we are gathering data from operators of all sizes across the European ecosystem, big chains as well as small individual operators, on visits and registered or documented COVID-19 cases across our sector. Alfonso will speak much more about that in a minute. And before we get there, we would like to hear from Patrick in terms of the recent study on exactly COVID-19 risk in the Netherlands that was run by Actief, and that I know has been crucial in terms of keeping our sector open during the second wave of COVID-19 that you have seen in the Netherlands. So Patrick, could you please present us a bit with regards to the study that you ran and what the specific focus was and who was surveyed and so on?